Hello, today I'll be installing this. It's a gear selector. It'll tell me which gear I'm in. This is on a 2012 Honda Cbr600rr. And here it is. I got it on Amazon. Here's the brand right here. And you just got to remove your seat. There's two Allen key bolts. You just got to remove it. And you got to find your red. It's going to be like a red harness. It's going to have a little plug right here, like this. So you'll have to remove this. It's easy to remove. It's just a little tab. Then this, sorry, not this. This right here will connect to there, to that red, to this red one. But you will have to find the spot you want to install it to. And I kind of want to make it look factory. I mean, some people put it right here, some people put it like right here and they tape it, and I just don't like it because the wire's there. And I think I'm gonna put it right here, so when you're driving you can see the number right there, and it's gonna be hidden and you can see it still when you're driving. So if I want to mount it right here, see there's like a little spot for it. It's gonna go right here, right there. I will have to take this connector apart. There's like tabs right there you can pull, and you'll be able to remove, because I gotta run the wire almost like the factory, run it here and then connect it there. So make sure you take a picture of how the wire is, which pin it goes, because there's a little tab right there you're gonna remove. You're gonna press it and you're gonna pull it out. Okay, so I was able to install it right there. It's on there. It's just like wedged in and it holds by itself. So it holds there perfectly. You could always add some 3M tape in the back and it'll stay there pretty good. Right now it sits there pretty good. And that's how I ran the wire. Let me see if I can show it to you. The wire will run from here, it goes there, and then I follow the factory wire, how it runs. I run it underneath. It's underneath here. I was able to unscrew this bolt. You don't have to remove it, just unscrew it, and then you can tuck the wire underneath there, your other wire. And then it ran. Keep running it. It's right here. Here you go. It keeps running it. I was able to tuck it in there. Keep running it here. I did remove the tank cover. You don't have to, but I kind of wanted to make it look more clean. So I did remove the tank cover. So it's running there. It goes here, goes behind here. It just keeps running there. I go underneath there. It keeps running. Then I came out here and it's right here. That's the wire, and boom, it just connects to here. Connected back to that red harness, so everything's there is done. And I'm about to show you how it works. And I already programmed it. The programming, it is pretty easy too. That's how you program it right there. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just follow the instructions. It's really easy to program it. I'm going to show you how it works. I have it on the rear stand right now. And this is how it works. Okay, so let me start it. So I'm in neutral right now. Let's see. Forgot the kickstand. Alright, so first gear. The second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And then when you go down, 5, 4, 3, that's the neutral. Then it goes like that in neutral. And that's how it works. And you can turn your wheel. The wire is perfect. So I mounted it right there, and that's how I like it.